Title: Trolls Band Together, Heartwarming Adventure to Rescue Floyd. Release date: October 12, 2023. In an exciting upcoming animated film, Trolls Band Together, the lovable characters from the Trolls universe embark on an extraordinary journey to save their musically talented friend, Floyd. This eagerly anticipated movie takes viewers on a thrilling and emotional ride, as Branch and Poppy navigate a world of Popstar villains and rescue missions. When Branch's brother, Floyd, is kidnapped by two sinister Popstar adversaries who seek to exploit his musical abilities, Branch and Poppy find themselves on a daring quest, determined to save Floyd from a fate worse than pop culture obscurity. Our heroes courageously set out to reunite other troll brothers and form an unstoppable team. Trolls Band Together promises to captivate audiences with its enthralling storyline and vibrant animation. Viewers will be transported into a world filled with infectious music, breathtaking visuals, and inspiring messages of unity, friendship, and the importance of embracing one's true talents. This extraordinary tale captivates both young and old, as the trolls face countless challenges and obstacles on their quest to save Floyd. With their trademark wit, charm, and undeniable musical prowess, these colorful characters illuminate the power of resilience and compassion in the face of adversity. Directed by a talented team of filmmakers and featuring a star-studded voice cast, Trolls Band Together is expected to become a monumental cinematic experience that will be remembered for years to come. The film's empowering narrative and catchy soundtrack aim to spread joy and inspire audiences of all ages. As anticipation grows, Trolls Band Together has already amassed a large following, with 291 votes and a staggering popularity of 1,745,484. Fans are eagerly anticipating the film's release, eager to immerse themselves in the high-energy adventure that awaits them. Prepare for an unforgettable cinematic experience as Trolls Band Together transports you into a world filled with laughter, music, and heartwarming moments. Stay tuned for the film's release on October 12, 2023, and get ready to embark on a magical journey alongside your favorite troll characters.